Buckle up because we're making a copycat Starbucks sweet cream cold foam all at home. There are a couple ingredients that you'll need, plus a blender. First, grab 2 ounces of heavy cream and dump it into your blender. Next, you'll need some 2% milk. This makes a difference, so make sure to use 2%. You'll need 1 ounce of this. And then finally, to sweeten things up, you'll need about half an ounce of simple syrup. You can use vanilla or any other flavor that you'd like. Place the lid on your blender and blend it up for about 45 seconds. You'll want something that's high powered so it becomes nice and frothy. To serve, grab some cups with ice and cold brew in it. I have a recipe on my blog for homemade cold brew that I'll link in the description below. Once you have these ready to go, you're gonna pull out your frothy sweet cream cold foam. At this point, it should be decadent and rich, and it is the perfect topping for your cold brew. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for more in our coffee series.